and I'm a Non-US IMG. I recently matched into Michigan State University for internal medicine residency, and I'm very excited to start it. Today, I'm here to talk about how Match a Resident helped me through my own journey to Match, and how its various features were instrumental to my success. So, I used Match a Resident's customized program list, which I was fortunate enough to have access by the ambassador program, and it really helped me finalize my own program list when I was applying. It has a lot of great features, but for those of you who don't know what a customized program list is, it's a feature provided by Match Resident where you can put in your own profile details like your STEP scores, your year of graduation, your certification status, and everything else. And it will generate a customized list for you, including all the programs that match your profile with various degrees of compatibility, like from 100 to 80% like that. And it really helps because it has these features called as links, like the match link, the interview link, the school link, and the country link, which you can apply and see where previously the applicants from your own mid school have interviewed and matched, or people with the same credentials as you have matched. And it really helps you narrow down your own options when you're applying for the program list and make it more concise. Furthermore, as you see the program's profile in the match residence list, you would see that there's a lot of information provided in that one page, including how the previous interviewees reported their experience, what questions were asked, who is the program coordinator, when is the application deadline for the program, and everything else. Plus, their AI feature that they recently introduced also helps to generate a summary of the program details that you can just go over before your interview and have a better understanding of the program you are applying for or interviewing for at the moment. So yeah, I think those things really helped me when I was giving my interviews or making my own program list, and I definitely recommend to everyone to use those things to make your journey much simpler and take a big headache off your process. Furthermore, I also use Match Residence Rank Assist feature as well as the interview manager, which were really helpful overall. And they made it very simple for me to finalize my own rank order list. Like I could just see if my preferences, the way I was trying to sort them, were also aligned with the goals I'm looking for. And I think that really helps, and I definitely recommend it.